His promise will come through even though the road is long and hard. He is with us. As it says in Exodus chapter 6 verse 7, I will be your God. This means God always there for us. He will help us and protect us. So don't give up, even we are facing difficulties right now. Keep believing and hoping God. Keep praying and trying. Remain strong in your faith. He will surely provide in the way out and a blessing for us in His time. Amen.